The Sandville Self Help Centre was established in 1983 and is a charity that's open to all people suffering health issues, offering help in a very relaxed and happy atmosphere. They are a person-centred service, giving social and psychological care to patients and their families. Their motto is listening, looking, learning, loving. Laughter will enable you to live a longer, healthier life, something I'm sure we can all support. They provide transport from the Bridgend area to Lindra Hospital for patients who require radiotherapy or chemotherapy. Every week, they offer a range of complementary therapies and activities. Set in beautiful surroundings away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life, with beautiful views and a welcoming environment, the Sandville Self Help Centre pride themselves on being a home from home, with no clinical appearances and a warm family environment. I'm sure members will agree with me that the world would be a much poorer place without places like the Sandville Centre and people like Gwyneth Poacher and the dedicated staff and volunteers who run it. Thank you.